Hello and welcome to the LRA. I'm Ambrose F. Bonny, Manager, Modernization and Transformation Domestic Tax Department, Labrador Revenue Authority. In this video, we're going to talk about the e-filing application, how to access the e-filing application, how to download the application, how to install the application on your PC, and how to get enrolled. So stay put as you go about train through the process of having the application installed onto your PC. So the first thing, you have two ways of having the application. You can either write the LRA and the application can be communicated to you through email, or you visit the LRA website and download the application from the LRA website. So in this video, we're going to go through the process of downloading the application from the LRA website to your PC, as well as installing the application on your PC. So the first thing you have to do is to have your PC and have it connected to the internet. As you can see below my screen here highlighted, my internet is up. So the next thing I do is to go to the web browser, and I have Microsoft Edge browser. So when I launch the Microsoft Edge browser by clicking on the Microsoft Edge browser, it takes me to the browser page. Now in the browser, I have to tap the LRA website. Press on this browser, which will take me to the LRA website to go through the next step. So the LRA website address is www.lra.gov.lr. And then I have just enter, and then the LRA website is open to me. On the LRA website, on the main page, you have domestic tax, which is being highlighted. And then in the far right corner, where you have those red shaded tab, you also have e-services. So it's either or. Domestic tax, click on domestic tax, go to e-filing and click on it to get the link to the application. Or on the far right, you have e-services, you click on e-services and it takes you to the link to the application. So for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to use this tab on the far right corner with the red highlight tabs. I will click on the e-service and then it takes me directly to the link for the e-filing application. The next thing is, on the e-services, we have two e-services being provided here on the website. You have domestic tax and you have custom. So for domestic tax, we have the e-filing, and for custom, we have the ASYCUDA login. So our concentration in this video is the e-filing. So we click on the e-filing and then we just wait. It takes us to the link of the application. So here we have the application, and now we have to download the application to our PC. So as you can see, the name of the application is LRA eReturn, and this is version X 5.0.4.0. And the application is just 8 megabytes, so you don't need much of a data to download the application to your PC. So I go by download all and then watch at the bottom of this page. Immediately I click download all. At the bottom of this page, it asks me, what do you want to download with FTP download file zip. So this is a zip file that is hosted on FTP cloud. So immediately I click open, then means the file starts to download. I'm interested saving the application file to my PC before installing it on my PC. So I go back save, and then the file starts to download. So you see at the bottom here, see the file running Fortunately for me, the file has completed running, downloading in just split seconds. So I come to open folder, and then it takes me to the download file. So you see highlighted here is the FTP downloader file. You then double click into this, and then this is the application. So to run the application, double click the application on the application itself, and the application automatically automatically starts to check for any new version. So at this point in time, you are just downloading it, so it's the latest version, so there is no need to go and search for the latest available version. So what do? I go by no. And then this is the application. So this application is now downloaded to my computer, installed on my PC. Now for easy access to the application, because whenever you close it, you have to go and launch it again. So for easy access to the application, you can come to the application at the taskbar, right click on the application at the taskbar, and then pin it to your taskbar. So once you pin the application to your taskbar, whenever you shut the application down, and you want to relaunch it, you need to go searching for it from your downloader folder or whatsoever. You can just come back to the taskbar and relaunch the application. Thank you for listening. Please watch our next videos on how to get enrolled on the e-filing application. Thanks.